Because this woman personified love, she forgave me more times than I deserved. I look back at the times that she forgave me for whatever I might have done or not done, and she would relentlessly not give up on me as a human being. Even when she said, maybe we must just cut our losses, she said it with love. She said it with love and said to me, we're not going to fight about this. And we have kids to raise, and we're going to all go for counseling, and we're going to all get through this with love. But I never got a chance to. So I want to do it here because it's still something I feel I owe her. A public apology for any heartache, any heartbreak, any embarrassment, any matlo abatu that I caused you. Yes, I apologize to you in person, I apologize to the kids, but it was not complete until it was done in public. I'm sorry, my friend. I'm sorry, Mati. Till we meet again.
Let's give Tato a round of applause. It takes a man, it takes time, and it takes a season. It takes a season. So let us exercise grace. Grace in all seasons of our lives. Because you have no idea what's going on behind the scenes. You have got no idea of what's going on inside hearts. You've got no idea what the plan and purpose of God is for anybody. Thank you very much, T. God bless you. God will strengthen you. Your shoulders are broad enough. And yes, you are able. Yes, you are able. It's funny because earlier on we were talking about the prayers of those who love us. For Helen Baylor, it was the prayers of her grandmother.